Hello folks, we are once again back with this exercise 7.6, and we were doing the integration by parts where we did the two problems on the basis of the principle of ILATE, which I used to tell you. I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric function, and E for exponential function. So we have to rank accordingly which is U and V, and we follow the procedure as per the formula. So let's right away get across with the third problem, which is integral of x square e raised to x dx. So where we have this as the algebraic function and this as the exponential function, we look at ILATE. And in ILATE, A comes first and E comes later. So whatever comes first, that's U, and the later one becomes V. That way, we will also find du over dx, which is 2x, and integral v dx, which is e raised to x. We have the formula as u integral v dx minus du over dx integral v dx the whole dx. So let's make the substitution. U for us is x squared, integral v dx is e raised to x, du over dx is 2x, and integral v dx is e raised to x dx. This part is fine, but this part is again another integral. So that we can find by doing one more integration. So for our convenience, let's call it as 2 times x dx by taking the 2 out, and let's call this as another integral I1, and let's find that and then resubstitute. Maybe we can call this as 1 so that it helps us resubstituting. So that's our equation number 1. These wires are very messy. Okay, then we have I1. So let's go for I1. For I1, we have got integral of x e raised to x, like exactly like we did here. We rank u and v, and here now maybe we have our ranking u as x and v as e raised to x. So du over dx is going to be 1. Integral v dx is going to be e raised to x, and that way I1 by the formula u integral v dx minus du over dx integral v dx whole dx. So that way it is x e raised to x, integral of 1 times e raised to x is e raised to x, and integral of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. Let's call it as 2, and let's bring 1 and 2 together to get the integral I. From 1 and 2, I let us take. I first part is x squared e raised to x, then there is minus 2, and there is I1 which we have ready. X e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c, that's all, we are done. So it's x squared e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x minus 2 e raised to x plus 2c. Now this is your answer, but you're, as I always tell you, you're allowed to do whatever modifications that you want. So in this case, maybe you can take the e raised to x outside. So you get x squared minus 2x minus 2 and the plus 2c. If you want, you can call it as k or c1 or something like that. That's it. This is the answer for this problem. Oh, it's not minus 2 here, no? Minus and minus plus. Yes. And this is our next problem. So same thing happens here. There is x log x, where x is the algebraic function and log x is the log function. We use the ILATE, and in the ILATE, whatever comes first is u. So since log is coming first, your u is going to be log x and v is going to be x. So your du over dx we all know is 1 over x, and integral v dx is going to be 1. Integral by formula u integral v dx minus du over dx integral v dx the whole dx. So that way u for us is log x, integral v dx is just at 1, and du over dx for us, integral v dx is integral of x, isn't it? So it's going to be x squared over 2. Yeah, du over dx is 1 over x, and v dx is x squared over 2 dx, which can cut x remaining. So x squared log x over 2, half can come out, integral of x dx. Now integral of x dx is very simple, it's x squared over 2. So you get x squared log x and x squared over 2, so that's becoming x squared over 4 plus c. That should be all. That's all for this problem, and this is how you're getting the integral for the fourth one. It's quite simple actually. Once you decide, everything is quite simple. You have the iLate with you, and that helps you. So that's all for this video. With more problems, we'll meet in the next video. And as I always tell, that please do popularize the channel. See that there are many subscriptions, and we have many people sharing it and so on, so that we are popular. It helps a channel to be popular. So all thanks to all the popularity and the increase in subscriptions, though it's not very though it's not, you couldn't say that it's like very great, but yes, it is increasing, and that is an encouraging part. So thanks once again.